Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own mesmerizing lava lamp in just 30 seconds. All you need are some simple household items: a clear glass bottle, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and an effervescent tablet like Alka-Seltzer. Start by filling your bottle with 2/3 vegetable oil and 1/3 water. Watch as the water sinks below the oil, creating a fascinating separation. Next, add a few drops of your favorite food coloring to the mix. See how the colors swirl and blend, creating a beautiful display. Now, here comes the magic moment. Drop in the effervescent tablet and watch as bubbles form and rise, creating that classic lava lamp effect right before your eyes. It's truly a mesmerizing sight to behold. Once you've witnessed the magic of your homemade lava lamp, don't forget to share your creations with us. We'd love to see how your lava lamps turn out. And if you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY project, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun and creative ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those simple ingredients and let's get started on creating your very own DIY lava lamp. Get ready to be amazed by the colorful and bubbly spectacle that awaits you. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity with this super fun and easy project. Happy crafting!